What's up, everybody? What's happening? It's your boy AD with All Packed Up. Today, man, let's do basketball. I'm gonna do one of these and probably one of these. Okay. 2021 Chronicles. Look for the exclusive score insert. Let's see what that is. And Recon 2021. 6 cards per pack. What is this? 15 cards per pack. Fat pack. Man, let's see, I might crack one of these open. Paninis. I don't know, we'll see. But you know, man, I'm chasing, I got goals to have an extremely exclusive collection. So, that's what I'm going for, but need I say more? Let's go ahead and get into it. I don't know if y'all ever noticed this though. Y'all ever look at the back of the pack and see this? What is this? The GC something created 1121. I kind of checked that. I don't know. When I open my boxes, I'm gonna check the back of the packs to see if the back of the packs match the barcode on the outside of the box. See, GC 921 on that one too. There's 2 different packs. That's 1121. That one was 921. I got illusions packs. Is this 921? That one's messed up. I think they're 921. Don't let me get too off topic, but yeah, 921. So the same as those boxes created at the same time. So does that increase the odds of what you pull out of the set? I don't know. We're gonna see though. Cause when I find out, I'm gonna tell y'all. So you know what I know. Here we go. Upside down joint. All right, here we go first. What we got? Brandon Ingram, Pelicans. Hey, Luka. That's my first Luka ever. I don't know what's up with my focus. It's actually pretty dark in here. I don't know what's up with my lights either. I'm trying not to pull 2 cards at once. I'm gonna set that Luka over there like that. Kyrie. It's my first Kyrie. I don't have a lot of basketball, man, or none at all, really, not NBA. My first basketball pack I pulled was a Chronicles, and it was all like rookies going in and still in college stuff, so it was like most of my first NBA stuff. So I'm gonna try to keep some of it. Yega or Congo rookie card, okay. Prestige. It's not numbered or anything. Just Paul Reed and Don Russ, rated rookie. Okay. What's this? Hey, pulled a LaMelo Ball Luminance. Let's go. I like that. I was wondering when I was gonna get a Melo, if I ever would. It's behind you. Okay. I'm cool with that. Who's this? Desmond Bain. Rookie card. Got some kind of little shimmer to it, I think. I don't know. And we got a Obi Toppin, New York Knicks rookie card. Who is this? Panini, Chronicles. Just a little rookie card. Cool. Anthony Cole, Luminance, rookie. Alexei Pusevsky. I forgot how to say his name. Pusevsky. That's cool. I think people like him. Pretty decent. Hey, pulled a John Morant. What's good? It's not a rookie though. It'd be nice if it was. It's pretty thick. Oh, there's one behind it. Stuck together. Who's that? James Harden. I like that jaw. Put that up there too. James Harden. Yeah, it's pretty cool. Pretty cool to me. Rookies and Stars, Crusades, Obi Toppin. Rookie card, I like the way that looks. How many we got? One more. And the last one is Marquis Emmanuel Quickly. Oh, is there one behind that? No. Oh, it is. What the hell? Come on, man. Come on, bro. What's going on? Look at this. Jason Tate XR. I'll probably sleeve this. An orange XR. I'll sleeve that up. Want my sleeve. Oh man. Got some pretty cool little pulls, man. I need to adjust my camera so y'all can get a better, somewhat of a better angle, I guess. The cards I'm sitting down. I know y'all digging that mellow. Sleeving that too. Sleeving it too. Grab that XR first. Alright. Mellow, let's go, boy. I like that little dude, man. He be hooping his ass, his butt off. You know what I'm saying? Little homie really be hooping. Luka, throw you in there. Some pretty decent rookies out of that pack, man. What? I like that pack. Who else did I want to throw in? I like this. This Obi Toppin. That's a nice card. No number cards out of that pack, though. You know, nothing like that. There's some pretty nice face cards. Leave those suckers up. But hey, man, hopefully all these, I have never seen like Obi Toppin play. I've seen Luka, Melo, Jay Sean, a little bit of Jay Sean, but not Toppin, so I don't know what these guys are gonna turn into. I've seen Ja. I'm a sleeve Ja because I like Ja, and I'm from Tennessee, so you know, I don't know if anybody else is into that for real. Like I'm from here, man, so I really be trying to collect all the players from like all the teams in Tennessee. Like I love it, can't help it. What is this? I didn't know if the different color meant anything, but yeah, man, I don't know, man. I really just, like with the Titans, I'm trying to get all the Titans players. With basketball, I'm trying to get all the Grizzlies players. With soccer, I love to get all the Nashville players. Like, if they came out like that. I figure if I did his other card, I might as well do this one. Yeah, I don't know, man. I bumped the camera. I might sleeve those cards. I don't know. I need some more sleeves. I don't want to use all these yet. So, if so, I'll probably come back to these. I like that Prestige rookie card, though. It's pretty clean. I like to sleeve clean cards to keep them clean. I don't know if that's a thing. But yeah, like I was saying, man, with hockey, I want the Preds players, stuff like that. Let's set them over there. All right, Recon, the Buster Recon. Somebody gonna be like, man, I don't want to watch this dude. He takes too long to get to the packs. Oh well. Leave it in the comments what you want me to do. First, we got, who is this? I don't know who that is. Facundo Campazzo. It's a rookie, though. Recon. Nice looking cards. Jared Culver. Tristan Thompson. That guy. I don't know how much value your cards hold, man. We got so much going on outside of the league. It'll be like a movie dude or something. Oh, we got a, who is that? We got Otis Birdsong. I don't know who that is. Is it an auto? Damn, it is an auto. It's dope. Sticker, my first auto. I'm not even showing y'all the cards for real. I'm garbage. Like my first auto, Otis Birdsong. Glorified signatures. Okay. ODB. Let's leave you up, bro. It's dope. I'm gonna have to top load that too. That is dope. First signature. Let's see what that says. 1984, 1985. He was decent, man. He back in the day. I got your autograph. I got a top loader for you too. Come on now. Stop playing. Here we go. Oh, is it too little? I have to go get some thicker top loaders. It's not working with my plastic. I don't want to fuck my card up. Mess my card up. Okay, cool. Slapping. Might have to cut a lot of that out so y'all don't gotta watch that. But did I show y'all these other cards? That was a rookie for Facundo Campazzo. Then that Tristan Thompson. Jared Culver. No. Then I got two more. Let's see, two more. They took too long. Who's this? Jaylen Brown. I like Jaylen Brown. He's pretty decent. And we got insert Raptors. Flynn. Who was that? Malachi Flynn. Okay. That card is pretty thick, dude. Why is Jaylen Brown card so thick? I like that. That's a rookie card. I don't really know who Malachi Flynn is. Might just leave it up just because. It's a nice little rookie card. Well, there's the Recon pack. I kind of want to crack the other Recon pack, man. I just pulled the auto, but, you know. Let's do it. I'm going to do it. I don't care. I cut it out to make it shorter if y'all don't like how long it is, but put that over there. I like pulling that. That auto kind of got me hyped. Second Recon pack. Oh, come on now. Oh, be difficult. The back part of the Celtics. First card, Kevin Durant. Boom. Keep that. I like Durant. It's my first Kevin Durant. DeAndre Ayton. Okay. Zach LaVine. Decent. Oh, number card. What does that say? 8 of 10. Blake Griffin. Okay. What should I pull from the back? Pull the insert from the back. Nah, we just gonna go with it. Drew Holiday. I don't think it's nothing special. Sleeve this Griffin. I like that. But put a Blake Griffin, 8 of 10. I'll do my Durant too. It's my only Durant. I like Durant. I'm really on the hunt for like some LeBron stuff. Auto LeBrons, auto whatever. Okay. Drew Holiday, last card. Kyrie Irving, Recon. Maneuvers. Okay. Focus tripping. Dang, I want to pull something else now. Might hit one of these Panini prison packs now. Man, what you guys want to see? So far out of these packs, man. Quickly recap. Out of the Recon packs, pulled an 8 out of 10 Blake Griffin. Durant that I liked. Pulled an auto Otis Birdsong. Glorified signatures. And rookies, Malachi Flynn. Insert. I liked it, so I sleeved it. But, I mean, it's pretty much the highlights out of the pack, man. For me, anyway. Out of that, let's see, get the camera right. Yeah. It's kind of the things for me. But out of that Chronicles pack, though, we got that Obi Toppin. Pulled a Ja Morant out of there. The Obi Toppin again. Crusades. The Luka base card, cool. LaMelo, Silver Luminance, and the Orange XR, Jay Sean Tate. I'm cool with that. I'm cool with both of those pulls. I'm gonna probably stop this video, man, and pull something else. I don't know. Unless you just, I wonder if you'd rather me keep going. I'm gonna stop it, man. I'm gonna stop it, and I'm gonna hit them. I don't know. Dang, what should I do? What should I do? Should I keep going or should I stop it? I should do it live, so y'all should let me know, man. What should I do? What would I do if I was watching somebody? Would I want to keep watching them? Probably. Yeah. Yeah. Man, catch me on the next video, bro.